Here's a super cool Porsche that just got released from Salido in 1/18 scale in baby blue. What I've done is removed the black markings that I had on. I believe this is the Shenzhen model. It had some, I believe, Asian writing, Chinese writings on the side, and something on the bottom down here. I removed it, I buffed it so it's nice and shiny. You can't tell. It's got a beautiful chrome wheels with super wide ones on the back, with a big spoiler on the trunk, on the rear end, little flares. What I've done is install working lights in it. This is the on and off switch that runs off a 1.9-volt battery hidden inside. So when you have to replace the battery, you have to remove 4 screws. 2 on the back where you see the little arrows, and 2 on the front. Real easy, less than a minute to do. Turn the lights on so you can see. You got the working headlights, and you have the working rear tail lights. This is the first of its kind, so I don't know how many I'll be doing to this one. So if you're interested, feel free to bid. He also features opening front doors. You got a detailed interior. All right, guys, it'll be up on eBay. My eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you and have a good one.